All right, this next product I'm talking about, which could be another one we might hear something about. I don't know. Apple has not updated its smart speakers. In fact, they got rid of the big one. And also the Apple TV, feeling a little bit antiquated at the moment. How about this? Apple reportedly developing an Apple TV with a built-in camera and speaker. Are you intrigued or are you afraid?
I'm intrigued.
Okay,
Definitely.
good. Okay, yeah. Because, you know, Facebook tried to put a speaker and a camera in your living room and everybody freaked out.
Yeah. But Apple, I mean, their privacy.
You let Tim in. You're like, Tim, take a look. I mean, what do you want to do? You want to?
Yeah, kick up your feet.
You want to see what I'm up to? No problem, Tim.
Yeah.
Yeah, people do believe such things. Well, it's because Tim's always ranting and raving about the privacy stuff. He's all flustered on the privacy stuff.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about that.
You know, him and Zuckerberg, they got their ongoing things. A couple of CEOs.
Doing CEO things?
Siri-equipped smart display also thought to be in the works. So here's the way this breaks down. Imagine the merging of the Apple TV and the HomePod. You slap them together. The audio on your TV sucks for a lot of people. You may not have a dedicated audio setup. You get these companies out in the world. You got a Sonos company. You ever heard of them? Companies like Bose are out there. And they're trying to put these speakers under your TV anyway. Why don't you put the streaming thing right in there?
Yeah.
Because those are tiny. I mean, just slap that in there. Get a better remote while you're at it. So you give me the remote, you give me the upgraded audio, and I got the interface to access all the content on a variety of applications I might access content. The likes of Netflix. The likes of Disney Plus.
Sure.
The likes of HBO Max.
Yeah.
I was watching Pirates of the Caribbean the other day.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, you didn't think I was doing that.
Never would have thunk it.
Man, big budget on those ones.
Oh.
The second movie was like over $400 million.
So many effects.
Holy
So much water.
Boats.
Yeah.
Wood.
A lot of it.
The Caribbean was involved.
Oh, yeah, were they?
Yeah, they were involved.
Okay.
Looks beautiful down there, by the way.
Yeah, very sunny.
I haven't been there in a while. Sand and all that.
So let me ask you a question.
Oh, yeah, go ahead, Will.
So do you think that it would be a better strategy to market this as Apple TV with a speaker or a speaker with Apple TV?
Yeah.
Because they could totally make a sound bar out of this, right?
That's
Make
what we're
this
saying.
Super cool and sleek.
That's what we're saying.
And then have Apple TV as...
I think you just do both. I think you have them both. I don't think you get rid of the little box for people who are just not interested, don't want a huge thing. But you're like, from a branding perspective, I think, do they stick with the HomePod branding?
Right.
I don't know.
Yeah.
HomePod with Apple TV? Maybe. Maybe you stick to that because you know you're going to have all the voice assistant stuff. You're going to be able to triggers. They want you using your voice anyway. So if you got the microphone right in there, maybe you're not even using the remote that much.
Yeah.
You just keep triggering with the voice. It's possible, depending on people's comfort level with constantly being listened to, but they're doing it with the other variety of smart speakers. Now, the one piece, which some people, yeah, there you go. You were hovering the word.
Yeah.
Camera. Do we really have to have a camera? They all want us to do this video conferencing on the TV. And I understand people being locked down. They've been trapped. Well, all these people are indoors.
Is that what it's for?
I would assume so. What do you think? Games, maybe?
Yeah, like motion tracking.
Yeah, okay, a little bit of that. But they want you to FaceTime on your TV.
Right.
Imagine you FaceTime into the whatever, the grandparents, the long lost relatives.
Yeah.
Look at me, it's my living room. We're hanging out now. COVID. You know?
You just throw up.
Yeah. Well, I mean, who isn't sick of all that chatter?
Yeah.
I mean,
I hear you.
The world wants to get out in the world. I mean, you can't deny that. And so some of these devices, it's a bit of a, kind of sucks that it's a bit of a reminder that we need all these tools because can't get out there as much, can't hang out for real.
Yeah.
Anyway, so they put a camera in it because that's what people do.
Or it could be like a security camera.
No, it's not going to be about that.
No? Okay.
No, I already talked to them. Anyway, the other product they can do is like a kitchen product, which has a display on it too, to compete with the likes of Amazon and others that have attempted to do that display. I mean, according to this report, that's another thing that they're working on. I'm curious to see what they end up with, but it's a big market. And there were rumors for a really long time about Apple doing a TV of their own, like an actual TV. They didn't do it. They didn't want to do it. They haven't done it. But this might take them a step closer in that, okay, you own the audio. Okay, you own the assistant. Okay, you own the interface. Okay, you own the content.
Now let's put it all together.
Okay, you got the FaceTime.
Yeah.
And you slap it under the TV, and they pretty much become the TV at that point. And the TV becomes pretty dumb at that point.
Yeah.
If you're using their interface, their entry point for all the different ways in which you use it.
They just need to buy the displays from Samsung.
I mean, they're close. Or LG, you mean? Because Samsung been buying displays from LG when it comes to the big ones.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll see. Maybe we'll learn more on 420.